Hi everyone, Lisa Budin here, very excited about the up and coming show at Lizottes, November the 15th. If you haven't been to one of my shows before, 8-piece band, all live instruments, and of course a great backing vocalist. We do story and life of the Carpenters, 24 songs in total, and of course I'm going to present one of those songs just to tease you a little bit to come along to November the 15th, Lizottes at DY. And of course, this song was one of the most popular songs of the Carpenters. Please enjoy. Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I'd like to quit, nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Walking around, some kind of lonely clown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. The only thing to do, run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before, and no need to talk it out, 'cause we know what it's all about. But it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. What I feel is come and gone before, and no need to talk it out, 'cause we know what it's all about. Hey, hope to see you there, everyone.